Hi guys, welcome to my camping gone wrong. I was heading for up north to camp, but I have to park right here because why? I'm fixing my van. I'm in the middle too of the storm again. Look at that. I'm right on the side street here. I'm in the side street and I'm fixing my van. Something is wrong here. Look at that. I have to take it out the what do you call this thing, the cover, and see what's going on. I think I'm gonna be stuck here, and then it's really storming. I want to go out. I want to see. Oh man, look at that. I'm on the side street right now. Oh, I'm heading to the campground, and oh man, my van is like, it's rocking, and it's like, see what that, look at that. Somebody parked on the other side too. I have to park here like stealth a little bit while I'm fixing this, but I don't know if I can fix this. I want to see what's going on here first, but I'm stuck, right? I'm stuck in my van. Oh man. Oh God, I'm on the side street right now. Look at all this. Wind is, look at that. Man, we've been having this storm here in the Midwest. Oh, I cannot go. I want to go camping. I'm heading to the campground. You know, look at, can you hear it? Oh God, the wind is blowing. Here comes the bus. But I don't know what happened to this. It just broke down. Man, I might need some help, or you know, I think something's wrong. I took the cover out. I'm gonna be stuck here, stuck in the storm, and broken van. Man, look at that. Oh, the wind is right. Let me go put a cover. Oh, my bed. Yeah. I just wanna do something here. Let me check out here the cover. All right, I'm covering the van so they won't see me here. I'm just gonna stay here, wait for the tow truck. Maybe tomorrow, you know, just park here, you know, until I figure out what's going on. It's always something, you know. Okay, I got all this. I'm gonna cover the, oops, sorry. I wanna cover the side door here. God, the wind is picking up. Oh, I want to cover this up. Oh, did you hear the thunder? God, it's not good. I don't wanna do that. You don't see me. I'm gonna put some. I want to put this. Put that in here. And maybe put one. Ooh, man, the lightning. Those lightning. Right there. Did you hear the lightning? Lightning's bad. And the wind is like it's like oof. I probably have to walk to the store, see what's going on. I'm drenched. Oh man, I want to walk to the store, but first I want to cover this up here. I want nobody to see. I wanna, man, this is going to be bad. I'm gonna be drenched. I'm gonna be drenched here. I wanna go find out what's going on, get some help, you know. Make sure nobody sees here what's inside, what's going on inside. All right. Let me see if my light's on. All right, that's good. That's good. I was ready to go get some food, you know, go to the grocery before I head to the campground, but I'm stuck. Engine just quit. It's not good. But I'm going home. I'm gonna go walk to the store. Maybe I can do it. If not, I don't have no food here. No food at all. Nothing. Nope. I'm really hungry. Oh my golly. Alright. You know what? I want to go slow. I want to go. Oh man. Alright. I want to walk out there, see what's up, and then come back, see if I could find any store around. Okay. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Alright. Where is this now? Wish me luck. Oh man. Everything is gone wrong here. I cannot do this. But hey, I should not do this. Oh man, it is really. I'm on the side street right now. It's flooding. Look at that. It's flooding on the side street. I hope I don't get hit by lightning. Look at that. Oh. All right. I hope. I'm on the side street. I'm on the side street. Hopefully I don't get hit by lightning. See if there's a store I could get some, you know, while I'm waiting for the tow truck. While I'm waiting for the tow truck. I'm on the side street. Oh man. Liz. I'm on the side street. Let's see what's going on. I'm staying away from oh man. Woo. I better go back to the van, walk later when it's over. I don't want to get hit by a lightning, you know. I don't want to get hit by lightning. No, look at that. Storm is bad. Look at that. Yeah, I don't want to get hit by a lightning. Yeah, well, this is really, really hard. Yeah. Oh, I hit the time lapse and that. But anyway, I came back from, I don't want to do a round. Oh, did you hear the thunder? All right. I don't know. I'm gonna go try to find a store. I'm so hungry. I didn't have no more food. Let me go ahead and walk that way. So, you know, I'm on the side street right now. See what's going on. It was kind of flooding here. The rain is really catching up. All right. I'm on the side street neighborhood. See if there's a store. See if there's a store here. There's no store. I don't know. I'm just afraid about the lightning. Look at all that. Oh man, did you see that? See that? Ooh. I don't want to get hit by lightning. I'm going to go back again to my van. No. That's not worth it. No. Not worth it. Not worth it. Not worth it. Go back to my van. I'm gonna stay here till I'm staying here till tonight until my tow truck comes you know, gets here, cause man, what time is it? It's 4:42. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. I don't want to get hit by the lightning and thunder. No. All right, guys, I'm just gonna stay here, and you know, I'll move back later. And well, this is it. I'm gonna close this one out because it's not happening. Yeah, park on the side street, car sees on me. I think alternator is, you know, the belt, you know, just broke. I can't do anything much more. Just waiting for the tow truck to be here or to arrive, and that's it. Well, guys, we'll see you soon, okay? All right.